Want to learn more about the map window in CANape Option Driver Assistance? You are at the right place. We will start right after the intro. Hello and welcome. I'm Katharina. Today we are going to take a deep dive into the map window of the CANape Option Driver Assistance. Although the map window is part of the Option Driver Assistance in CANape, no Option Driver Assistance license is required to use it. In the map window, objects are displayed on the basis of geographic coordinates. This enables a quick and precise localization of the ego vehicle, the position of other road users, and static objects. If we right-click on the map window, we can configure the follow mode, which changes the behavior of the map during a driving scene. There are three possibilities. We select None to disable the follow mode and show the current map section. Or select Auto, that the map follows the vehicle while the map is orientated to the north. Or select Ego, so the map follows the vehicle and rotates the map according to the vehicle's course. Right-click the map window and choose Map Settings. Different window-specific settings, such as the appearance of the map window, can be configured here. For the map display, various map providers can be selected. For example, online tile providers, offline tile sets, or a simple monochrome background. Each provider may offer different configuration options, such as map styles or themes. By default, Vector OSM is set as the online provider, offering a regulated contingent for global map display, with only the exception of China. Available styles include, for instance, the default view, a grayscale, and a pastel theme. Alternatively, you can use a different map provider, for example here, for which a separate map contingent must be purchased. You can integrate custom map sources via URL using the custom tile provider. Make sure to observe the licensing requirements for the respective map provider. It is also possible to use offline maps by inserting the path of the unpacked or packed folders. You don't know how to create offline map material? No problem. Just have a look at our CANape online help, where it is described, or search for websites where you can purchase such data. The link is in the description. If you don't want to use any map material, you can set a constant background color. You can also include overlays, such as shapefiles or other geodata formats, by simply adding them under Layers to the map view. Some of them are license-free, and for others a fee is required. Congratulations! You're now a map window expert. Thanks for watching. Do you have some time to spare? If so, watch our videos on the scene and video windows to reach expert level in minutes. Subscribe to the Vector Tech Tutorial channel for more CANape content and activate the bell to never miss the latest video.